reorganized all the cars, reparked them. Thinking about trading that Hellcat down yonder right there, because we seen one. We were digging some stuff up one time and it was literally about that big. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the original Goon Squad garage. As you guys seen in the previous video, we basically moved a bunch of cars off of this property right here, and it's kind of weird, man. We just got a few cars here and there, but you know what? It was for a good purpose. But today we are going to continue working on our brand new build, the Factory 5 GTM supercar. And as you guys seen, the previous video on this car was basically trying to repair this hood and trying to save it, and we practically almost did. I mean, we got the two pieces together and it's practically one hood right now, but you know what? There's still a ton more fiberglass work. We still got to finish off this crack right here, got to finish off this one over here, got to repair this big old whatever's going on right there. There's another crack on that side, cracks just basically throughout the entire hood, and this is going to be a pretty long process, you know, not the fiberglass but the actual bodywork itself, because we still got to do some Bondo, sand all that down, do primer and all that good stuff. But you know what? Waiting 3 to 6 weeks for a new hood is not in our time schedule right now. We want to get this car done as soon as possible, because that's practically all it is, you know. Yep. Just the body work, paint it, and then fix a little bit of the framework, dude. Yep. And also we even ordered some brand new wheels for this thing, which I think those suckers are going to be in today, so and we might even throw them on, dude, to do a burnout. For sure, dude. We'll definitely throw those on. I mean, that wheel, I mean, it's already seen better days, and it doesn't even fit right. We just screwed that sucker on there, and that burnout was super sketchy with that, so we may even redo a redemption burnout. You got to do a proper burnout in this thing. For sure, but what do you say? Should we just continue? I mean, say we get to it, because the fiberglass work is probably going to take a couple hours. Most time consuming, because you know you got to wait for it to dry and stuff like that. So I just say we go ahead, bring out the fiberglass, bring out the sandpaper, start sanding this thing, and hopefully finish up all the fiberglass work. Alrighty guys, so check this out. We are finally 100% finished with all of our fiberglass work. A bunch of sheets of fiberglass, a bunch of resin went onto this hood right here, but you know what? It is all basically saved, and now all that's left is just a bunch of sanding and then some body filler and then just forming everything. But look at this damage right here. This was the nastiest damage. Honestly, don't know how you saved that right there. Dude, tell me your secrets. I don't know, man. That thing was just in tons of pieces. I actually had to throw fiberglass on it twice, sand it down the first time, throw it on again, because there was just some holes, all types of stuff. But you know what? It looks good to me now. It looks good, and it is solid right there. But you know what? This fiberglass stuff is kind of annoying to work with because it floats everywhere throughout the air, and also it's super sticky, super itchy. I mean, look at how it got on the R8 over here. Everywhere, dude. It's like a thick layer of fiberglass on there. This right here is just like an hour of fiberglass work right there, and look at this, dude. Crazy, man. Oh my goodness, imagine if we fired this sucker up, hit some boost. Drive it down the road, dude. Dude, it'd be clean. It'd be like a puff of smoke left. We might have to do that, or either wash it. We need to definitely clean that sucker up, because that's just difficult to look at right there. Yes, sir. But anyways, what we're gonna move on to next is just sanding all this resin down, which this is some super like hard product. Dude, doesn't even sand good, dude. Yeah, it's super difficult to sand down, but once it's all sanded down, all we gotta do is just apply like a thin layer of body filler throughout these sections right here, and then I think we'll be able to sand it again, and then we'll probably be able to do some primer. There is actually a little bit of fiberglass that we gotta do in like some of these sections right here, but it's just like very small cracks. Yeah. We'll take care of that. Then I think we're just gonna focus on the hood for now. Then we of course got this section. Did that stuff ever dry right here? I didn't really, I forgot. Oh, it's still kind of, dude. That fiberglass right there was junk, whatever we used the first time, dude. That's probably from like 69 or something, like summer of 69. Old. That's probably what Pops was using back in the day. Right there. We found his product right there. But I guess let's just focus on this hood for now, keep on sanding some stuff, and end up bringing out some body filler, and then start slapping it on. guys, so check this out. We are finally done applying that very first layer of body filler, and now this just needs a bunch of sanding. But you know what? We're kind of tired of doing body work, but that's enough body work for one video, right?
Dude, that's been plenty of body work. I mean, there's still tons more to go, but dude, I'm just worn out. Body work's probably the worst part about rebuilding a car, dude. 100%.
I'm with you right there. Although I'm not doing all the sanding, I'm just recording it. It's pretty repetitive. I think I ate about a pound of Bondo, dude.
Dude, I mean, it's a lot. I think a pound of Bondo went into my eyes. I keep putting eye solution in, cleaning them out, dude.
But it's definitely going to be worth it because look at this. We are making some amazing progress. This right here just needs to be sanded down. This is basically the rough coat of body filler right there.
Yeah, rough coat, sanded down, and I'm sure that big spot definitely needs some more, but all these other spots, like this spot over here, probably that's the only layer right there.
Yeah, exactly. So as we just finished this up, you know what? We were thinking about doing something a little bit different. We were thinking about going up to the headquarters, maybe sorting out those cars a little bit, like finding a better parking spot.
Yeah, and we got a bunch of gravel because our driveway keeps getting washed off. There's like every time it rains really hard, certain areas get washed out. So we got to figure out what's going on, and we got to spread all that gravel out, you know?
Yeah, so we might do that right now, or unless something else pops up, which we were on the good old Facebook Marketplace, and we're thinking about trading that Hellcat down yonder right there for something epic.
We want to trade that thing for something. I mean, I know we sell cars left and right sometimes,
not
but
really.
you know, yeah, not really, but that thing, you know, it's ready to go to some other home.
We've
you know
had
what
our
I mean?
fun with it, dude.
Dude, we're just looking at stuff, and look at this crazy thing, dude. This is just an insane rock bouncer,
There we
dude.
go, just like that. Oh my goodness, imagine that, dude. I've seen videos of them suckers going up some steep stuff. And dude, them things are insane. What is that, an LS in it?
I don't know what this got in it. It doesn't really say anything, but it comes with the trailer, dude.
And what's he asking for it?
I think he's asking $45,000 for that.
And that
not bad.
Hellcat's worth about 45, maybe 50 with inflation nowadays.
Yeah, for real.
And it's gonna come with a full tank of gas, which that's like $1,000 right there.
I know, man. That's easy, dude. That should be worth the whole dang rock bouncer right there. But there was another one too. Like if I can find it, dude. This one is legit, dude. Look at this bad boy, dude.
That is
my phone won't go that way.
Dude. That thing looks brand spanking new. I think the glare is
2021, dude. That is crazy. And look at the engine it has in it right here, dude.
Oh my goodness, that is fully built. What's he asking for that one?
He's asking 50, so not much difference from the first one.
Shoot,
right there.
Dude, we'll throw some boot on top of it, dude.
I'll throw him a couple pairs of boots I got sitting out back, dude.
That would be wild, dude. A rock bouncer, plus we got the perfect terrain back up on the mountain, dude.
Oh yeah, dude. We got probably the best terrain for that thing up there, dude. We got those big rocks and everything like that. I mean, that thing will do great out there, dude.
It will. Try to find that van as well, dude. That Hellcat is such a beast right there, but it's we don't really drive it much, you know what I mean?
But what about this thing right here, dude?
Straight up, we'll have to definitely throw like 30 grand on top of that.
Dude, that's a mob mobile right there, dude. That thing is crazy,
I think I've seen that on somebody's Instagram. Somebody reposted that right there, dude.
Dude, it's not far from us right there, dude. That's crazy. They want $10,000 for that thing, though. $10K, dude. That is expensive for something that it's not street legal.
A van on
and
tracks?
It's a little van that I think it's a 4-cylinder, but it's 4x4, dude, and it has tracks. It's pretty crazy, dude.
That is pretty wild. So we got 3 options right there. Are you gonna start messaging them folks?
I already sent a few messages just to see. I mean, it doesn't hurt to try, you know. You got to always just see what's going on the old marketplace.
That's right. Yeah, I guess we'll do a little bit more searching. But as for these wheels, that was kind of a false alarm right there. We thought the wheels were going to come in today, but the guy on eBay messaged us, and he was like, that was just like a little a letter in the mail.
Tracking number, dude, which he's going to send us some different wheels because apparently he didn't have the wheels that we wanted. We wanted some really wide ones for the rear that will match these tires, and he didn't have them, but we went with a pretty nice spec. I think it's going to be legit looking on this Corvette.
It's basically a Corvette.
I mean, we call it a Corvette because every part that we're ordering is, Corvette, you know what I mean?
But dude, this thing is sweet, man. It's coming right along, but you know what? I think we're just going to set it aside for now and just take a little break because I'm sure your elbows need to be re-greased, right?
Yeah, dude, we need to grease them up, but I mean, that's it for this body work, man. Until next time on this.
Probably the next video, we'll definitely do a lot more body work. I think we'll make it to the primer.
Try to get to the primer stage, and then we'll probably jump on to these little panels.
Those should go quick.
Those should go really quick. Finish all this up and start prepping this thing for some paint.
Throw a quick tune on it, add 1,000 horsepower. truck or no?
Very good. I like it. Quiet, smooth, dry, you know.
It needs exhaust for loud.
No.
No?
You know, it's, for me, you know, some extra noise is not good. I like it, you know, quiet and dry, you know, so relax.
Yeah, almost sleepy.
Yeah.
That's no good. Sleeping behind the wheel. That's why you gotta have loud exhaust.
No.
All right, guys, so we made it up to the mountain here after having some amazing chicken wings. We even had some tossed in some dang sauce. And I gotta say, those were the dang best chicken wings I ever had, dude.
I'm with you right there,
Dude,
man. They need to add that.
They need to add that to their flavor menu, dude. That was just amazing. And we had other flavors we were comparing to, but the dang sauce, I think was on point. But anyways, we made it back up here. We spread that load of gravel that we had ordered here, made it nice and straight. And we even extended the driveway just a hair because this gravel does wash off over time. Like after a year, the rain and stuff will wash it out. So we nicely straightened everything out and we organized all the cars, reparked them, made sure they're all lined up properly. And I mean, it looks really good now, dude.
It looks
I love
amazing
it,
right here. But of course, it's not going to be up here too long. I don't think so.
Yeah.
And also, we do got to focus on probably getting this all paved here soon.
Yeah, definitely.
Once we decide what we're gonna build right there. But I think we're gonna focus on that new house up over there before we build another garage right here.
Yeah, another garage, or we're throwing even the idea of building another house up here, maybe even a bigger house than this. Just make it nice with, of course, a sweet garage, probably like in the middle. I think it'll look super sick. We got something in mind here, but you know what? We're gonna build that one up there first. We're gonna finish our shop first, that house, and then we'll do whatever we can over here. And then as for like this area where we're standing from, I mean, as you guys know, this property has this beautiful view right here. And we have this little section, like a little pad of dirt that you can like stand out on. And I think we're gonna actually do something up here, you know, like a nice, maybe level it out, put more dirt here like we were planning on doing, and do whatever, you know what I mean?
Yeah, what I'm thinking is possibly making like a retaining wall right there around this perimeter, maybe over here, and then raising this up a couple feet, that way it's nice and level.
Yep.
Then maybe putting like some sand down and then some gravel over, some pea gravel, and maybe a fire pit or some pavers.
Yeah, do like a paver, maybe do like a big old circle of pavers or somewhere, and then like brand new sod all around it. That would look super nice. Or maybe even do some turf, you know, always green, and it'll look super sick. I mean, just give it a nice little area, like a, what would you call it? A patio, outdoor patio,
spot.
Little view spot right here. Call it the view or the bluff or something like that, dude.
Exactly. I think that'd be super neat. Maybe have like a grill and maybe like a little parabola or pergola.
Pergola burglar.
I don't know what you call those things, but also I was thinking about like possibly, remember we talked about it, like building like some sort of awning over there.
Yeah.
But I don't know about that. If you park anything close to that wood line right there, dude, rats are going to just infest.
Dude, I'm telling you, dude, it don't take long. I mean, 2-3 days, and you'll see like them trying to make nests and like the wheels and stuff like that, which is very dangerous. Those things are huge. Those are as big as Luna, the cat. So the cat can't do nothing about it.
Dude.
I think the cat's scared of those things, dude.
Probably. I bet the dog's even scared of it.
I know, dude. So if anybody knows, because we seen one, we were digging some stuff up one time, and it was literally about that big. It ran up the mountain quick, gone. If anybody knows one way to exterminate those things, let us know. We would love to know. But there's tons of them.
I know one way. Buy a real life bobcat.
Dude, that'd be insane, you know what I mean? And release it out here. I think I've seen one bobcat on the camera before, on my hunting camera. Never seen it ever again, you know what I mean? So I want them to all come back. I'd love to have them out here, dude.
I think those things are nocturnal, man, or something like that. Like
they are at night, but dude, those things are savages, dude.
Savages. And also we want to do something over there. You see that area right there? That's our third lot. We would definitely want to clean up all those logs, maybe make a nice field right there and bring in some livestock.
Dude, man, we're talking about it, all sorts of stuff. It would be nice to fence off like as much as possible, dude. It would be super sick. We could even fence off all the way up to this property, you know, a nice little farm fence right there. And dude, what'd you say, a bull? Dude, that'd be crazy.
Like a mini bull, you know, like
Texas
a miniature
bull with the big horns, man. That'd be crazy, dude.
Man.
We'll just get some alpacas and be good.
I'm telling you, we might just stop working on cars and start working on cattle, dude.
That'd be crazy, dude.
But we are gonna probably do something crazy. We definitely want to move out over here where it's nice and peaceful. I mean, I think it's time to just move out of parents' place. We've just been storing stuff there.
I mean, it's a good place over there, you know. It's a good
it's
one.
nice.
It's nice, you know.
But it's always nice to like move into different areas.
Yeah,
as well,
I mean,
dude.
when our shop goes up, man, it's gonna be incredible, dude.
Yep, and that's coming up here, dude. It'll probably be done in 2 more weeks, dude. Not months.
2 more weeks, dude. That's gonna be insane. So we're super excited about that.
Yep, and also that Hellcat right there. If anybody's got anything they want to trade for it,
let us know. Drop it down in the comments. Message us, whatever. We want to see what you want to trade for that sucker.
But that's going to be all for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Be sure to drop your comments and thoughts down below. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.